So this exercise is called the Adductor Rock. And what we're going to do is we're going to stretch our adductor muscles, but with a straight leg. So the adductor muscles are a group that make up the groin or the inside of your leg here. And most of them start at the hip and end somewhere down your leg here. So they often stretch best with a bent leg. But one of the muscles, the gracilis, crosses across the knee here. So you must stretch that with a straight leg. So in order to get really good stretching of your adductors, you need to do both bent and straight leg. So this is a straight leg version of an adductor stretch. So what you do is put your body weight in between your legs. Don't have your weight over one leg. So you want to be thinking that your legs are sort of splayed out to the side a little bit. Put your hands to the side here. And with the other leg, once you let it out, go out to the side here and turn your toes to face the front. Now, what we want to do is imagine that I'm trying to push my foot for the duration of this exercise down through the floor here. If you don't press that foot down, you can still get a stretch, but when you apply that tension or the contraction to the muscle and then you stretch that contracted muscle, okay, it works much more effectively. So push that foot down through the whole time. Imagine someone's going to come along and try and lift your foot up and you want to push the foot down. All you do while you do that is slowly just rock back as far as you can, sitting onto your heel, and then come back up. That's one rep. So squeeze again and push the foot down here, and then come back up, push it down hard, and you'll feel a really good stretch all the way through your adductor muscle to the knee here. So the adductor rock exercise is really good. Again, the main point is keep that pressure down on it, right? Apply the contraction to the muscle and then stretch that muscle as it's contracted. We recommend 2 to 3 sets between 8 to 10 reps each leg, and you'll feel a really good relief in your adductors.